Today is Monday, August 12th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVILLE convertible left-hand driver side wiring harness, and I'm going to be doing a restoration. This is for my friend John in Michigan, rebuilding the wire harness or exchanging it basically. And what we have here is the original 4-button cluster switch in the escutcheon bezel, along with the emergency lockout rocker switch in the front. And John's wiring harness has been severely hacked up, whereby the connector for the emergency lockout rocker switch is missing entirely, and it's been overridden and spliced together and redirected. I'm surprised the car actually didn't catch fire, as this wiring harness has multiple patches throughout it, so it's very, very hazardous, certainly. And of course lacking in functionality, as it's totally bypassed the emergency lockout rocker switch. So the question now becomes, what other liberties have been taken as to the electrical wiring of the car that remain inside the car? So we want to explore that very, very carefully, and make sure that if we provide a period correct, originally restored harness that's fully intact, that we're not going to run into any problems due to the bypassing that has occurred in the vehicle. So I'll be talking to John and his shop mechanic. And this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source items, such as the rewiring of the wiring harnesses, the rebuilding of all of the individual electrical switches, power servos, and in-dash controllers for the air conditioning system, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, August 12th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.